Oh, it's so cold outside. On today's episode of Why Did I Buy This, got an interesting one for you guys. Head out here. I just had keys show up at the local dealership. I had to order this key right here because the key the car came with doesn't have an immobilizer programmed into it. We've got ourselves a 2012 GMC Terrain. You'll notice a little symbol right here in the corner. That car with a padlock over it. What that means is the car is not recognizing the immobilizer security code that's in that key. So there's a relearn procedure that I have to perform. Once I perform that relearn procedure, I should be able to go and crank this thing up and find out what exactly is wrong with this car besides the key issue. There was a little lock symbol here that was up earlier. It's now gone. So I believe this car is actually ready to start. So this will be the first try, the first attempt at starting my in-op car that isn't really an in-op because the key was wrong. All right, let's give it a shot. Oh, fudge. What? You fracking flip-flopper mother trucking. That was the procedure. I did the procedure. Where'd you get your training at, huh? IKEA? Bet your toolbox is full of Allen wrenches. Where was the last place you worked? We fixed cars good, no problem? So what do I have to do? Wait another 30 minutes? It's so dumb. Just let me steal it already. Key out. Let's try the other key. Not gonna make a difference. I'm just wasting my time here. Checking what? Checking. So I've got the old Alltel out. Not sure what I can do with this bad boy. Let's get in here and see. So we've got diagnostics, control unit. Let's see if we can find immobilizer module. Telematics, interface, HVAC control. No. Electronic part, I don't see it. So what the heck? Power mode, windows, vehicle accessories, horn relay, generator, lift gate. Nope. Power mode, nope. Exterior, special functions. LIN bus, nope. Don't need to be in there. The Alltel is failing me here. Come on. Let's go here. Whoa, what are you doing? Settle down, Pookie. Okay, yeah. Move on. Protocols. Yay. Any hot functions in here? I'm going to go into every single file possible in this Alltel. I'm going to get absolutely nowhere. Probably got all kinds of codes set. Maybe I should check codes too. That'll at least give me an idea of what's going on. Component test, vehicle information, IM readiness, live data, vehicle status. Let's try vehicle. Turn key on with engine off. It is! How do you think you're communicating? Notice that. That's a good sign, right? It means we're making progresses. We're almost there, pals. Sure you want to exit? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure I need to get a factory scan tool if I want to go in and do any immobilizer stuff. Damn it, stop it. Okay. Yeah, so that pretty much sums this up. This car is not going to be able to be programmed with this Alltel. I can't even find a immobilizer button in it. And I'm currently sitting with the light off, which means this thing should crank, but I figured. You'd think I'd at least be able to unlock and lock buttons. Well, I believe the relearn procedure is done. It's been, 30 minutes on and off. I thought the relearn procedure was just straight 30 minutes on. But I think this one's kind of like the old school Chevys that require you to do the 10-minute cycle. So you go 10 minutes on, and then you turn it off, the ignition off for 5 seconds, then you turn it back on. The anti-theft light comes back on for like 10 more minutes, and you turn it off, you repeat that 3 times in 30 minutes. To be honest, I have no idea what this car actually requires. I'm just taking a hot guess at it. So at this point, the light's off and the key's on. The ignition's on. This is like the 3rd time, maybe the 4th time, I guess, that I've cycled the key. The previous times, every time the light turned off, I'd go ahead and turn the ignition off and then reset the key back to the on position. And that would turn the light back on again. So in a sense, the key cycles, if that makes any sense. I don't know. I think I'm confusing myself trying to explain what I did. But at this point, the light's not on. Okay, so that's different. That's different than it was before. Every time previously, if I turned the key on, the lock would be there. Now it's not. So the scan tool was an epic fail. There's absolutely no protocols inside the scan tool that I can access in order to do this relearn. I'm sure the General Motors software has that option in their factory scan tool. Mine is not. So now is the moment of truth. I believe at this point it should start. I'm not 100% sure. The lock light's not on. The airbag light or the seatbelt light's on, and the check engine light is on. So I guess we'll just give it a whirl and see what happens. So here we go. Fingers crossed. Oh, the suspension. 3, 2, 1. All right. I'll take it. Hot damn. Okay, so she runs. Next question, will she drive? Okay, I feel forward. Let's go to reverse. I feel reverse. All right, I'm on the trailer still strapped down, so obviously I can't go too crazy here. Definitely hear an exhaust noise. That is for certain. Engine control module, 1 fault. I would not doubt it if I see a bunch of like voltage related codes in here. Just because the battery was way down. Probably lots of pissed off modules. Exhaust camshaft, position, actuator, solenoid valve, control circuit. Okay, so we probably are going to end up doing a timing chain on this one if I can just take a quick guess at it. I'm going to clear the DTC out and see if it pops back. Exhaust gas. Yeah, she's right back. So what that means is we've either got a VVT solenoid that's bad, or we've got a timing chain that's stretched. Given the miles that are on this thing, I'll bet you it's the timing chain that is stretched. Brake control module. What's wrong with you? Oh, active test. I don't want to go there. Go back. Go back. Trouble codes. Control module power. See, there's a voltage code. What else is in here? I bet you most of these. Body module. She's going to be pissed off. It's going to be all kinds of codes related to voltage in here, I'll bet. What you got? What you got? ECU software security not programmed. Control module power. Control module voltage. Battery voltage. Security controller in learn mode, unprogrammed transponder, keyless entry transmitters, passenger compartment dimming, request signal, low voltage. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and clear all the codes out of this thing. I'll get it off the trailer into the shop and pull the valve cover off. Once the valve cover's off, that'll give me a good idea of what I'm looking at as far as timing chains go. You can usually tell if the timing chains have been done on these or if they're stretched with a quick visual inspection. So that'll be my next step, but that's it for this episode of Why Did I Buy This? I got myself another in-op car that's not an in-op car. I call that a success. Even though I'm going to have to do a little bit of work to it, I'll bet you I can run this baby right back across the auction. I've got about $1,000 in it now, with the key being $110, the car itself being $900, some auction fees. We'll call it $1,000, $1,100 total. I'll bet you this thing running and driving across the auction lane would bring a solid $2,000 on the low end, probably more like $2,500 to $3,000 on the high end. It is almost tax time, so you know what that means. Everybody's getting a paycheck from Uncle Sam. Gonna get our tax return money. So perfect time of year if I decide I would like to run this across the auction block. But if it drives out pretty good and it does not need a whole bunch of extra work, I'm probably going to go ahead and fix this one up myself and retail it out. That is, if she doesn't burn oil. When they burn oil, I don't take chances with my retail customers. I don't trust people to keep an eye on it. So I'll have to put some miles on it to discover that situation. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Go ahead and throw a like on the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Please do for more awesome content from Shed House. Man. It's warmed up a little bit. Cool. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.